Don't be a hater. Love one another. Racism is not good neither. Don't be a racist. Okay? And ladies, don't hate on other women, okay? It's not worth it. Okay? A woman hating on another woman, that shit's not cool. It's not sexy at all. Keep it to a minimum. It's jealousy that makes most women hate on other women. You know what I'm talking about, ladies. So, yeah. If a girl is just living her life, you do the same. Don't hate on her. Okay? Be a good girl. Good girl. Okay? So, it's tea time. See you after my shower and yeah. Da-da.